Inlet filter cleaning. Switch off the unit. Close the tap. In the rear end of the unit, locate the inlet hose connection. Hold firmly and rotate counterclockwise to disconnect the inlet hose from the unit. Caution: remove the hose lower carefully as some residual water may otherwise splash out. In the inlet port on the unit, check the filter. Remove the filter out using a nose pliers. Wash and clean the filter under running water. Use a brush to clean the filter. Refix the filter back into the inlet port. Refix inlet hose as shown in the video.